respected Prasad Saab, my colleague Vinay Ranjan ji, CMD WCL Dwivedi ji, and his team of all the directors, CVO CIL Brijesh Tripathi ji, Pateria ji, steering committee members, Malhan ji, and the team of CISF security personnel. It is indeed an honor to be part of this seminar, which is trustworthy and which is the first ever such seminar which is being organized by WCL. I thank and congratulate the CMD WCL and his team for organizing this event in the Golden Jubilee year of CIL and leaving its pug mark in the Golden Jubilee year by taking good initiative like inauguration of the cyber security cell, gate management system, weapon firing simulator. It is truly a proud moment for all of us that WCL is a torch bearer in many aspects, as it has been mentioned by all my predecessors in his speech. It is essential that when we talk about security in coal mine, it should include not only the security of coal and other material, but also the security and safety of the personnel involved in its coal mining activity and the security of the environment. Coal mine security has a multifaceted approach. It encompasses physical security measures, technological integration, adherence to the safety regulation. I would again say that WCL is a pioneer in establishing the Integrated Control Command Center, and which is now replicated across all the subsidiaries of Coal India. The use of this Integrated Control Command Center, this is a clear-cut usage of technology, and you are very well aware that how the use of technology has enhanced the security of our coal mines. And this ICC is essential, and it has a deterrent effect on all those who try to breach the security of the coal mines. Robust supervision and inspection can go a long way in increasing the security of the assets. Coupled with sound system in place, it is of utmost necessary that personnel who handle such system are dedicated and sensitive towards the security of the personnels. I would like to say that capacity building courses on ethics and behavior can be useful in this area of enhancing the security of mines and the personnel. I am sure that many more such issues will be discussed in these two-day seminar being held here. I wish the deliberation to be fruitful and show a way forward to enhance the security in coal mines. Let the strengthening of trustworthy value continues, and let the trust in worthy continues to grow. Thank you and Jai Hind.